In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Wrike in just 5 minutes. Exporting data from Wrike is a straightforward process, but understanding each step will ensure you get exactly what you need while keeping your workflow efficient. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Wrike and navigate to the official Wrike website. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Login button. For those who are new, you might see an option to try Wrike for free, but for today's purpose, you'll need to be logged in to access your projects and data. Once you've logged in, it's time to navigate to the specific folder, project, or space that you wish to export. This is where your tasks, schedules, and project details are housed. Make sure you know exactly where your data is sitting so you can find it effortlessly. Clarity at this stage is crucial for a smooth process, and it minimizes any confusion later on. Now, in the top right corner of the Wrike interface, you'll see a small 3-dot menu button. This is often referred to as the More Options or Settings button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides various options for managing your project or folder. From here, hover your mouse over the Export option. A sub-menu should appear, displaying several format choices. Wrike typically allows you to export your data in a few different formats. One of the most common is Excel. Select the format that best suits your needs. Before you finalize the export, you'll be prompted to choose whether you'd like to export only the filtered tasks or all tasks within the section you're working on. This is a great feature if you're only interested in a specific subset of your data. If you only need tasks that meet certain criteria, ensure those filters are active before starting the export process. If you want everything, simply opt for the All Tasks export. Once you've made your selection, it's as simple as clicking the Export button. Wrike will process this request, and a link to download the file will appear. Click Download, and the file will be saved to your local system. Now, you can open it in your chosen program to review, analyze, or share the data as needed. And there you have it. A seamless, easy way to export your data from Wrike. Whether you're preparing reports, sharing information with your team, or archiving your projects, this process keeps everything organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!